हेलो एवरीवन, हाउ आर यू ऑल डूइंग। उम्मीद है कि आप लोग सब खैरियत से हों और मज़े में हों और आपका दिन बहुत अच्छा गुजर रहा हो। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डू अ बिट ऑफ रीडिंग, very beginner level reading. The book that we're going to read is called The Very Hungry Caterpillar. I'm sure you have read it. It's very famous in USA, but in Pakistan it's not very famous. But I have read it, and so I thought let's share it on my channel. It's very beginner friendly, so you'll be able to read along with me. Before moving forward, I just want to say, if you haven't subscribed already, consider subscribing, and if you want to get a PDF or support this channel, you can become a patron. The links are in the description box. Let's get started and get right into it. So, the book that we're going to read together today is A Very Hungry Caterpillar. You can find it on Amazon. In Urdu, as you can see here, बहुत ही भूखा कमला, बहुत ही भूखा कमला, बहुत ही भूखा कमला. Kamla is a caterpillar. बहुत ही means extremely. Bhuka means hungry. बहुत ही भूखा कमला. Let's go to our first page. चांद की, चांद इज मून, चांद की ऑफ द मून, चांदनी में, in the moonlight, चांदनी. चांदनी is such a beautiful word, isn't it? चांद की चांदनी में एक पत्ते पर, पत्ता is a leaf. Here it is going in an oblique form. एक पत्ते पर एक छोटा, small, छोटा सा means little bit, like small, very small, अंडा, egg, पड़ा था, lying there. There was this, चांद की चांदनी में एक पत्ते पर एक छोटा सा अंडा पड़ा था. If you learn new words, add them in your vocabulary notebook. So the rest of the book is what he ate daily. So the first day of the week, पीर, पीर के दिन वो, ही, एक पूरा, एक means one, पूरा means whole, एक पूरा सेब खा गया. Seb is an apple, as you can see here. खा गया means ate. He ate the whole apple. लेकिन, but, वो, he, अब भी भूखा था. अब भी means still. अब भी भूखा था. He was still hungry. Here you can see the pictures of a caterpillar and the apple that he ate. A little tiny surah. Surah is a hole. Tuesday is Mangal, as you can see here. So Mangal ke din, Mangal के दिन means the day of Tuesday. मंगल के दिन उसने, he, दो, two, नाशपातियाँ खा डाली. नाशपातियाँ is pears. नाशपाती is one pear. नाशपातियाँ is the plural. If you don't know how to make plural of the noun, you can check out the links in the description box. I made a video about it a long time ago. नाशपातियाँ खा डाली, खा डाली. So खाना is to eat. डाली, डालना is to pour or add. Here the verb is a compound verb, खा डाली. This compound verb is indicating how quickly he ate those pears, like he ravished all those pears. Actually 2 pears. दो नाशपातियाँ खा डाली. He ate it very, very quickly because he was hungry. Bhuka kamla. Bhuka is hungry and kamla is caterpillar. Bhuka kamla. लेकिन वो अब भी भूखा था. लेकिन वो अब भी भूखा था. लेकिन means ना, but, वो, he, अब भी is still. अब भी means still. अब भी भूखा था. He was still hungry. Okay, let's see the second page. This is great because you learn the days of the week. बुध के दिन, the day of the Wednesday, like Wednesday basically, वो ही तीन is 3, आलू बुखारे means plums, आलू बुखारे, like because it's plural, therefore it's becoming आलू बुखारे हड़प कर जाना is to eat in a large quantity. हड़प करना, like someone who's very hungry eats so quickly and such a large quantity. हड़प करना. Here the verb is हड़प कर जाना. That is a compound verb as well. हड़प कर गया. He ate it all. The da sound is definitely something that's quite difficult. It's ha, then ra, and then pa. हड़प कर गया. लेकिन still, but वो अब भी still भूखा था. But still he was hungry. वो अब भी भूखा था. That is why he is called hungry caterpillar. Okay. What did he do on Thursday? Thursday is Jumerat. Jumerat के दिन, on Thursday, Jumerat के दिन, उसने, he, 4. So you know what you can do. Before I start reading, you can pause, read it on your own, and then if you can't read something, underline it and then read it with me. That way you'll understand the letters that you have to recognize. It'll be great for your reading. Okay. So 4 strawberries खा डाली. खा डालना, again the same verb, खा डाली. Ate it all, खा डाली. लेकिन वो, he, अब भी, still भूखा था. वो अब भी भूखा था. He was still hungry. Okay. What does he do on, or what did he do on Friday? Friday is Jummah. जुम्मे के दिन वो पूरे 5 संतरे खा गया. वो पूरे, like the whole, पूरे means whole, 5 is 5, संतरे is oranges. There are so many words for oranges, like quinoa, malta, so many words actually. Depends on the region of Pakistan or India. संतरे खा गया. He ate it all. पूरे, he ate all of the 5 oranges. लेकिन, but, वो अब भी भूखा था. लेकिन and magar, both of these words mean but. लेकिन I feel like came from Arabic, and magar is either from Sanskrit or from Persian, but I am not sure about that. But lekin I know is an Arabic word. Okay, let's do the next one. It's a long one. Again, you can pause it, read it on your own, and then read it with me. हफ्ते के दिन उसने एक कीमा भरी आंत. हफ्ते के दिन means on Saturday. उसने, because it's the past tense, therefore you mark the subject with ne. एक कीमा भरी आंत. So this is I don't know how they came up with this translation. It's not going to be very colloquial. Qiima bhari aant. Qiima is mincemeat, bhari is filled. Aant, here they called it like a sausage. In Urdu we just say sausage. But qiima bhari aant, here it means a sausage. Switzerland के पनीर का एक कतला, like Swiss cheese. Switzerland के पनीर. Paneer is a specific cheese in India and Pakistan. एक कतला. कतला means slice. कतला. एक अचार की फांक. Achar is pickle. फांक is like one bite of a pickle. अचार की फांक. एक ice cream cone. Ice cream cone. You know, sometimes the English words are the most difficult to read. Not this one, but if you see university, college, professor, looks a bit difficult. Like for example, Switzerland here. So difficult. to read. Ice cream cone. एक चॉकलेट केक का टुकड़ा. Chocolate cake is chocolate cake का टुकड़ा. टुकड़ा means a piece. Chocolate cake का टुकड़ा. Okay, let's do the next page. तरबूज की एक काश. तरबूज की एक काश. तरबूज is watermelon. Kash is again a slice. So these are different words for different food groups. So तरबूज की एक काश. एक प्याला नुमा cake. So this is so funny because they are actually like literally explaining the cupcake. Pyala numa means like bowl. Pyala is a bowl. Numa is like a bowl. Cake. एक sausage. एक cherry pie. Cherry pie is just cherry pie in English. एक lollipop. ये सब कुछ खा डाला. He ate it all. ये सब कुछ means all, everything. खा डाला. और उस रात उसके पेट में दर्द उठा. उठना is to arise. दर्द उठा means the pain arose. पेट में means in the stomach. He started having a stomach ache. उसके पेट में दर्द उठा. Sometimes we get too excited and eat a lot, especially in Pakistani culture. When we go to some gathering, we eat so much that we have to take some digestive pills or something like that. It's because the people are so friendly and hospitable. They make you eat a lot. अगला दिन, next day, फिर इतवार का था. The next day, then, was of Sunday. फिर means then. इतवार का means of Sunday था. अगला दिन means next day. अगला is next. अगला दिन फिर then was of Sunday. कमले ने एक अच्छा सा सब्ज पत्ता खाया. कमले ने, like the caterpillar, again we are marking the subject with name because that's the past tense and the verb is transitive. If you want to learn the past tense, go in the description box. I made several videos which I'll link there. Acha sa means like appropriate, like nice. Acha sa. Sabz means green. Another word for sabz is hara. Sabz patta khaya. He ate a green leaf. और उसके बाद, after that, उसके बाद उसकी तबीयत. Tabiyat is health. Tabiyat. Again, very nice word. Toy, be, ye, ain, te. Tabiyat. Bahut means a lot. Behtar ho gayi. Behtar is better. Very convenient because it sounds like an English word, better. Behtar ho gayi. Behtar ho gayi. It became better. Okay, then, okay, this is very interesting. As you can see, such a beautiful drawing. अब वो ज़रा भी भूखा नहीं था. अब वो, now he, ज़रा भी, not even a little, भूखा नहीं था. Hungry, was not even a little hungry. और अब वो एक नन्हा सा कमला भी नहीं था. नन्हा सा means little. नन्हा सा. कमला भी नहीं था. He was not even a little caterpillar. So he was not hungry, but also he wasn't a little, like tiny caterpillar. अब वो एक बड़ा सा, मोटा सा कमला था. बड़ा सा means big. So sa is just adding something nuance in this with the adjective. So you can add it after the adjective to make it cute. Or बड़ा सा, मोटा सा कमला था. He was a big, fat caterpillar. Mota is fat. Bada is big. Okay, now this page. उसने अपने चारों तरफ एक छोटा सा घर बनाया. छोटा सा means small. चारों तरफ means on all four sides. तरफ means sides. चारों means four. On all four sides एक छोटा सा घर बनाया. He made a small house. जिसको रेशम का खोल कहते हैं. Resham is silk. Khol is a like a hollow cocoon. So khol कहते हैं. It's called silk cocoon. वो उसके अंदर 2 हफ्ते तक रहा. Again, very good practice of the past tense. Here raha, rehna is the verb to live. It's a past tense, so it's becoming raha, but also it's intransitive, so it's depending directly on the subject. The ending will directly depend on the subject. उसके अंदर inside it 2 हफ्ते 2 weeks तक till 2 weeks रहा. फिर उसने रेशम के खोल को कुतर के, फिर उसने ही कुतरना is to gnaw something, to nibble something. खोल को कुतर के एक छोटा सा सुराख कर लिया. He gnawed or like nibbled the cocoon. खोल is cocoon. कुतर के छोटा सा means small. सुराख is a hole. सुराख कर लिया. वो ज़ोर लगा के वहाँ से बाहर निकल आया. और ज़ोर लगाना is to put pressure. Again, as you can see, you can learn so many verbs with it. Like almost 30 verbs, I bet. वो ज़ोर लगाकर, like with pressure, वो वहाँ से बाहर निकल आया. वहाँ से means from there, बाहर outside, निकल आया. Came out. वो वहाँ से बाहर निकल आया. अब वो एक खूबसूरत तितली बन चुका था. Again, this is the introduction of the new construction in Urdu, which is chuka, chuki, and chuke. That is like the completion of something, the completion of the task, which I'll make a video about. I'll put it later on my channel. अब वो एक खूबसूरत beautiful तितली is butterfly बन चुका था. He became a beautiful colorful butterfly. So I hope you have learned a lot. It's such cute, such a nice story. I loved reading it. We haven't been introduced to this growing up in Pakistan. In Pakistan, this is not very famous, but I enjoyed it nonetheless, reading it as an adult. Have a great day, you guys, and comment down below if you like it. Love reading and engaging with your comments. Have a nice day. Goodbye.